Hi friends, I am Vishnu Maharaj. JB bro.
JB.
How do you prepare Bhim Diksha?
R.S. Prankumar sir established our spheros circle in society. Bhim Diksha కాంచీరం మార్చి 15 నుండి ఏప్రిల్ 14 వరకు, మార్చి 15 నుండి ఏప్రిల్ 14 వరకు అవర్ ఇన్ సొసైటీ at book reading, it is at home. So how much you are creating our knowledge in society, or read your books, or read your history, read your any or subject or at read, or getting our knowledge or sharing our in society. How do you problems, how do you share in these problems? This your aim or ambition or RS problems. And as well as in last years I have to read some their books or getting our knowledge. So Bhim Diksha so change your life somebody people's, and because into some their people's have read to change your read. After 20 years 10 years back there is no how, there is no books, how do you read, there is no, but your nowadays your zero circle which some their people's have a books more than people's. I can observe some their people's in sphere circles are another person say must have a read. So I went to go some their questions you very well ask some their people's, so very happy feeling that a moment. And as well as so I have to speak now in present I have to speak, but I have to read in participate in Bhim Diksha. So I'm very happy. I have to some their peoples in go to every day motivated some their skills or development, and in society our then programs can explain in English. Every day should person have some their peoples have English. Some ask the question I want to tell about English.
Bro, Ambedkar అంటే ఏంటో చెప్పగలరా మీ మాట?
Ambedkar is means in our society equal right, equality rights. He give me our constitution of in right. This and nowadays we are living that every in particles in living in constitution or give me opportunities in Baba Saheb Ambedkar. That.
Hi bro.
Hi.
Who was Ambedkar?
He was written our constitution, Indian constitution.
Okay.
Ambedkar was as written our Indian constitution. When he was in childhood, the people who are doing inequality about his money and powers, who are the peoples who are Hindus and anything, they can oppose these peoples which are the lowest people, lowest candidates, lowest caste. The caste system is more in our India, though inequality is the necessary thing in our India. So Ambedkar has observed many things and collected many objects in the another countries or another constitution. They take the main points of the constitution and he written as a Indian constitution. So if present in our India has prepared like a best seventh national country, best country, so that the constitution written by Ambedkar who improved and who get freedom to us our country as a independent country. Thank you.
జై భీమ్. ప్రతి ఒక్కరి ఇంట్లో ప్రతి దేవుని ఫోటో ఉంటుంది, అలాగే మన జీవితాలు ఇలా ఉండడానికి కారణమైన అంబేద్కర్ ఫోటో కూడా ఉండాలని నేను మనసారా కోరుతున్నాను. ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీ ఇంట్లో కూడా ప్రతి ఒక్కరి ఇంట్లో అంబేద్కర్ ఫోటో పెట్టండి.